Y'all hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're good, Scam.
Okay, what's going on?
You ready, Skin?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right. Howdy, this is Shopman with Option Titans.
This is Skin Master.
And this is Akabari.
Already. All right. So today was the end of the quarter, and that's the first thing that we wanted to get into today. So as the headline says, here are the biggest winners in a solid third quarter for the U.S. stocks. Akabari, this is really your tab. You were saying something about...
Scroll down more until you get to the S&P 500.
Okay. Boom.
I'll skip this one. Next one. Right there.
Okay.
See, what I was saying earlier, man, I was surprised L Brand was a top winner for the S&P 500 for this quarter.
I would have never knew that.
Yeah, that's crazy.
You know what L Brands is, right, Skim?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I was trying to shop. Shop said he never heard of it, and they got that's the parent company for
Victoria's Secret.
The parent company. Yeah, Victoria's Secret and Bath and Body Works. And I think they got Lane Bryant in there too, but I'm pretty sure their gains are coming from Bath and Body Works.
Man, they just own a lot of shit. Well, today wasn't so good after it hit that peak.
Go to their daily.
Yeah, this is the daily right
open.
Here.
Yeah, that's a nice little trend for the third quarter.
Yeah, bro. Off of the View app, and it just went crazy.
Yeah, almost 200% return.
Damn.
I think it said 186. Yeah, 186 gain.
Yep, round it up.
Close enough.
Look, and this is why it's probably important to scan, because we were going over these. I've seen FedEx get called out a couple times, but
yeah,
I've never played Whirlpool.
Yeah, same here. I never played Whirlpool. I don't know what Freeport is.
What is that?
I played Whirlpool one time, made like $20, and it didn't really move after that. So.
Look at that bottom one, Skim. Pulte Homes is on there too.
Yeah, I've been mentioning about the home
it.
builder. Yeah, I like Pulte Group and the KBH. They're both home builder.
Ooh. Yeah.
Go ahead.
Oh, I haven't heard of most of these, but
I've heard of Pulte and DR Horton, but
I didn't know they had tickers.
Yeah, same here.
I didn't know they had tickers. And this is for just the quarter, right? And is there because it says winners and losers, so I assume that they lost 70%?
No, go down. The next tab is the 10 worst losers.
Okay. And I should have seen that. ConocoPhillips, yeah.
And but you see, they're all like mainly energy companies.
Damn.
Yeah, the oil companies, petroleum companies.
In the energy sector. Why did energy take a big hit this year?
I mean, oil.
Yeah, true.
Oil, Corona, nobody's going out.
Yeah, can't have all the people on the oil field, you know.
Damn, true.
Look at the NASDAQ winners though.
And we already knew. Tesla, but Tesla's been rough lately, as of late.
But look at that third quarter. Look at the third quarter, though.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. I definitely can see what they're saying. This is like a bounce off of VWAP. But I don't think this is pretty much accurate, though, because they were up higher, but then they did the split. I thought that the stock would come down from the split, right? I don't know how
it did come.
Webull
it did come down.
Yeah, it came down.
It came down, but I guess they have the to where if it would have been split already, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's what it looks like on the chart.
Yeah.
Because I was like, that doesn't make sense. Like that mug was high. I remember Tesla being like, what was it at first? Like 3,000 almost?
2,500, like that.
Somewhere in that range. And the premiums haven't changed, period.
Yes.
The premiums are still high. And mind you, it's Wednesday after hours, so these premiums are high as shit. Okay.
Hey, so somebody's mic is a little scratchy.
Okay. Yeah, I think that's Skim.
How about now?
I don't know. Maybe it was like brushing up against your shirt or something.
It's been on the tape. I don't know why.
And then we have here 7 airlines close billions and billions in U.S. Treasury loans. Oh my God.
What are they doing?
This could be anywhere from like BA to AAL.
I mean, you got them there. The only thing is, you see in the middle,
Mm-hmm.
Southwest and Delta, they didn't accept anything.
Oh. Why not? I mean, part of being an airline is you want to get bailed out by the government, right? Especially right now.
I mean, it depends, because I know for a while BA didn't want to accept anything, but at the same time, BA was looking for other type of bailout where they'd close contracts versus, a little handout.
BA got that dope.
And because airlines, if they get the government help, and whenever FAS wants to turn that, it's basically paper just saying, hey, I let you borrow money, so I'm going to get my money back. Now they got to give them shares at that price, which they're going to lose. So it's better for them to get money from the private investors.
Exactly.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. I don't know, man. Like,
So I guess that's another.
Go ahead.
No, I was just gonna say that brings up a good point, because if you look up jets, Southwest is one of their top. I think that's their top one
On the ETF?
on that ETF. Yeah, on the ETF.
Oh boy.
I don't think it'll show it there, but when you look at the holdings, Southwest is the first one.
No, I got you. I just wanted to look at what the performance was, and this is pretty much the ETF of airlines. So, oh boy, yeah, man. We all know. We all know what happened in March.
Long way to come back.
I mean, but despite this going on, I've been seeing more. Well, I guess economy flights happening. They just trying to stay afloat, I guess. A lot of people have been catching cheap flights, man. And if you're not tied down by anything,
a lot of people.
If you're not tied down by anything, you can get up and go. Now is the time to go to wherever. Well, you can't go international, of course, for leisure, but now is the time to get up and go, baby.
And catch the corona.
And that's the risk that they willing to take, I guess. Oh my gosh, what is this? Warren Buffett backed Chinese car maker announces strong demand for its luxury electric sedan.
Yes.
Okay.
BYD.
Yeah, BYD.
What is that?
It's crazy how. I guess it's a new car company, but it's crazy how. Skim, what was that other Asian company that Warren Buffett was getting into, that bank?
It was a bank in Japan.
In Japan, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I've been noticing.
Yeah. Go ahead.
I was gonna say I've been noticing that Warren Buffett's starting to leave American companies and he's going overseas.
Yes.
Ooh, Trump isn't gonna like that. Okay, so they're doing sedans though. That's a little bit. Tesla's not doing sedans yet. No, they are. I'm tripping. Crazy.
Yeah, they are.
I'm thinking minivans.
The crazy thing is this company had I think if you read it somewhere at the top, they have 4,000 cars already delivered, and they have, I think, another 40,000 cars, 40,000 vehicles. What is it called? You see it right there? Yeah.
At the auto
show. The crazy
show.
thing is, Nicola's still going up with no car. That's the sad part. I mean, that's why I played the Neo and Lee Auto yesterday, and made some money and got out because I know Buffett.
NIO is a car company.
NIO, yeah.
Oh man, I didn't even know that.
Yeah, NIO, not INO. INO is a
No, Neo is
What did I
car.
say? I said NIO, right?
No, you say Neo.
yeah. You
Okay. BINGO?
them tickets get confused after a while.
Because I was going to look and try to, we don't want any of this. I was trying to look and see BYD. I was going to put an N in there, but that's beyond. Oh, here it is.
Yeah.
Neo.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh, okay. Cool.
So this could take away some of Tesla's people from China.
Yeah, especially if they're selling vehicles already. Like, it delivered more than 90. You might as well say 100,000 probably about now. Dang. So is Elon Musk even in China?
Not
he has
much.
his factory there, so.
Okay.
Yeah. I think a fourth of his sales came from China, but with his Chinese company coming up in China, I don't think how people are gonna be like
have a chance.
Exactly.
Yeah. Especially with Trump saying that he was gonna start, putting all these tariffs and new taxes and.
I mean, Elon Musk. I read a news that he's thinking about building another factory in China or Japan. I mean, China, Japan, or Korea.
Right.
He's thinking about putting in Korea because right now, last quarter, they sold close to a little bit more than 10,000 Tesla just in Korea. And they're manufacturing from China. So they're thinking about building another factory in other parts of Asia, like Japan or Korea. But I'm not sure how sure because I haven't seen any news in American news channels. But I read that in a Korean news channel.
I would suspect he would do it in Korea, and I'll tell you why. Because Korea, you have Hyundai and what's the other one? Hyundai and Kia.
Hyundai or Hyundai?
However you say it,
It's the same.
I guess
Hyundai.
Okay, Hyundai. That's all I was gonna say. I guess we got a scam, but I'm thinking he could do it in Korea because if you think about it, Tesla doesn't only build cars anymore. They're gonna be building batteries, and so their batteries they can start selling it to those Korean automakers. I mean, to me, it make more sense to be in Korea, not Japan.
Right.
Oh, yeah. And BYD also doing a little partnership with a Toyota.
Do they have a ticker yet? Have they come out? Probably.
No,
I
haven't seen it.
I'm gonna check.
I mean, maybe they might be traded just in Asia, just in China.
It's not there.
No, unless it's electronic, but I doubt it.
No.
Maybe.
Nah.
I don't know. $5. I'll buy in now.
I won't even play option. I'll just buy like 1,000 of them.
5,000.
Exactly. I mean, if they're working with Toyota, then why not?
Absolutely. It makes sense to me, guys. It makes sense to me. Okay, with the big T dog, they're about to announce their Q3 deliveries. So here's what to expect. But I don't even know. This could be a news article how Tesla just went up 2.37%. However, they did that big Walmart deal.
They did do the big Walmart deal.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, people are right. What would you say?
Oh, I was gonna say, what was the other company that they were with besides Walmart? Walmart and Target. Who ordered? Amazon. Somebody was ordering a whole bunch of those semis.
Oh yeah, I mean they did well, not just that. Amazon did that little deal that we talked about last week. I mean Sunday.
Yeah.
With Tesla.
I remember that.
Yeah, and the crazy thing is, ever since the news came out, Walmart announced they're going to remodel the outside of the store, just like how airports doing, with brighter signs, bigger signs. I'm like, wow.
What were you saying, Kabar?
Scroll down on this article.
Yeah.
There's a part where I'll show you what people are looking for.
Okay.
Right there, the bigger picture. Go up a little bit.
No.
Okay, so Tesla was targeting right there. This is the bigger picture.
Right.
Tesla was targeting 500,000 deliveries, and So I guess people are waiting to see this Friday, see what they come out with, to see if they're on track to meet their record this year or not.
How many? Okay, so I personally don't own a Tesla, and I know that's only gonna jump the number up by 15. No, I'm just kidding. About one. I don't know, man. Would it be nice to drive a Tesla? Yes. I'm not gonna say anything else. Well, it's funny because how airlines were, they were doing the cheap tickets, like you start talking about airlines and how crappy they are, they might send you a free flight. So, but I know Elon's not going to send me a free Tesla or will he?
Yeah, he's going to send you a pamphlet.
He's going to send me a pamphlet sponsored by Neuralink.
What color do you want?
Yeah, I know, right? But you can custom make those Teslas, bro. And I don't know.
There's a way to get them for cheap.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, go ahead.
I gotta send y'all that hack. It's a way to go on their website, and if you wait till the end of the quarter, I heard that you could get a cheap deal on a Tesla.
Uh-oh. Spill the sauce. You gonna spill that to the public, or you gonna spill that later?
I'll think about it next week.
I'll think about it next week.
He wants to make sure it works first.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Oh yeah, bro. Because you can get that Q4 helicopter out the way.
I'll make sure I get mine first before I take it away.
Make sure it comes with the autopilot so you can sit in the passenger seat and drive Tesla.
Yeah, the crazy thing is they're predicting about, a lot of people on Wall Street, they say about 120,000 or 112,000 for the delivery number, but a lot of people, actually investors, are thinking about like 130 to 150,000 deliveries for this quarter.
Is that a lot of cars though?
It is a lot of cars for them.
For a Tesla, it is.
Yeah.
But compared to like GM or Ford, no. But to Tesla and to investors, yeah, it's a lot.
Well, they got to pick it up. They got to just pick it up, man. Oh, okay. So any closing comments with Tesla, or we good to move to Beyond Meat on the Market Watch? I closed out the tab before y'all answer.
It's like, don't worry about it.
It's like, get out of here. Tesla, we love you, though. We love you. We love you, Elon.
Did you see the way Beyond Meat moved today?
Yeah. I did not. So, Shopman broke a cardinal rule. I woke up at, yeah, I know, right? I woke up at 10:30. Yeah. I got up, got the kids ready for school. But other than that, I went back to sleep. Because when I woke up, bro, let me tell you my reasoning behind this. 8:30, market open. 8:45, it was still going sideways. I snoozed and I lost. Not really big. I didn't lose big, but I lost some opportunities. But go ahead with Beyond.
Yeah. And I was going to say, this says it was published today, but didn't we see the news a couple days ago, Skim?
Yeah.
Yeah, because if you look on the chart, 2 days ago is when they had that pop. But since then, it's just been trading sideways.
Yeah, I remember you guys talking about Beyond, and I actually charted it. So here's my charting behind it.
Yeah, see how 2 days ago I had that nice pop? Yeah,
from here, and boom. But it broke all-time highs. It just, people were like, okay, we're profitable. Let's get out.
Yeah. Exactly.
The crazy thing is, I don't know how me and Alcobar talk about it, and then none of us played.
Yeah.
Oh no. Beyond Meat is one of those tickers that just it'll catch you slipping quick.
Bro, it'll eat premium so fast.
Bro, BYND is like Tesla in a damn vegetable market.
Yeah.
The fake meat market, that's a Tesla.
I remember when we first started picking up, not when Beyond first came out, but when we first started picking up on Beyond, bro, the premiums were crazier than that.
I was eating good on the Beyond.
You know what could happen though, right? You see how it's trading sideways?
Yeah.
We could look for a gap down tomorrow.
Probably so.
If it can't keep going up.
I don't care what type of market we're looking at. We could be looking at the chart for today. We could be looking at pre-market, aftermarket.
Mm-hmm.
This VWAP line, bro, it respected it all day. It broke through it here, and then it came crashing down. So aftermarket, it's pretty much respecting that VWAP. So that was a good call. If you're paying attention, and you know, like I know, Kabari is the GOAT. So Beyond plays, you getting exclusives.
I don't know. I love meat, so I don't pay attention to Beyond.
Yeah. But that BA Walmart deal, it basically it took off. Who is this? Ron M says, how many pounds of plant-based meat does Beyond Meat say? No, that just feels like a riddle. We're going to leave that alone. Bro, Google, bro. Today I got in Google when it was going sideways. I didn't catch the initial pop.
That's the one where you said you should have woke up early on.
Yeah. No shit. Because that one, it was just, I don't know what I was thinking. I was just trading to feel something.
Yo, I wake up early, but I still don't play until like 11 or 12 Eastern time. Because I want markets to be set. Like, it could go up and it could just die right away.
This is when I got into the trade. And it just juke. Nope. I got out about there. Yeah, bro. It was very unkind today. But a couple days ago, last week actually, when it bounced off this VWAP, I called it here. It ran up nice. They just took a little bit from me, from this high green to there. It's all good. But what did they announce? I see the new phone. Does anybody have a Google phone?
No.
Okay, we need one of those. Google. We need 3 Pixel 5s in 5G so we can know what's going on.
It looks like they're trying to copy Apple right there. With the little square camera deal.
Oh, what is it? $699? Well, it's cheaper than an iPhone. I'll tell you that much. And the speaker.
Cheaper than an iPhone and cheaper than a Galaxy.
How cheap are these speakers? $99? Okay.
It ain't that bad, but where's their Chromecast? It looks like their Chromecast is gonna start doing like a Roku deal.
Oh, I mean it should though, because it already plugs into the TV. You know what I'm saying?
I never got that. That's the only reason I don't have a Chromecast, because I figure, why is it gonna do everything a Roku could do except to stream stuff?
I don't know about you, but Roku did. So Chromecast is winning at one aspect, because my Roku TV, I have a MacBook, and I can't stream my MacBook to my TV unless I have Apple TV. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So if Chromecast is letting you still stream from your computer and they're adding their own apps and shit, and then, Google Originals, they gonna win.
Mm-hmm.
They gonna win.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. This is good for them.
And what do you think about comparing to the Fire TV from Amazon?
I never heard of anyone use that.
To be honest,
there's a lot of people using it actually.
To be honest, the only time I hear people about Fire Sticks is when they're hacking them. And don't get mad at me, Bezos, but you made a product that was hackable, and they did it. This is one guy who made millions of dollars off of just jailbroken Fire Sticks, and you can get all of the cable channels and movies that come out. So yeah, that's what I know them for. I've never heard anybody hacking a Chromecast or something. You go to your favorite Facebook Marketplace, you type in Amazon Fire Stick hacked, they're about $35. You can watch all the movies, but we're not.
You got YouTube. YouTube tutorial on that one.
Yeah, we're not going.
And
if you know. If you know, we're not doing a tutorial on that today. Yeah, bro. Google definitely took off.
I was gonna say, you gotta send us a DM for that one.
Yeah, you gotta, and then we might send you the information. No incrimination here. We don't know nothing. What? Oh man. So before we talk about the debate last night, we just want to talk about these guys not coming up with a deal. What is this? This is huge.
Yeah, That's what I was going to talk to you about. What's the name? Anucci went to go visit her today.
Okay.
Yes.
And they didn't close no deal. Surprise, surprise.
Surprise.
But they
We're still
said
holding out.
Pelosi said that they're going to have their own voting tonight, House of Democrat.
Bro,
So
they're about to
it's
go
going
on
to
the
pass on their own. But once it gets to the Senate, will that be passed? That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Bro, they're about to go on break here in October. And if we
Yeah.
end up with not another stimulus check, the market's going to crash. Because that's the only thing that's been keeping the market alive is every time they talk about this $2.2 trillion stimulus proposal. If you leave it up to Nancy Pelosi, she wants $2.5 billion and trillion on top of what she's already asking for. So it's already been cut. They agreed to the cut. They want some more money. So just come on, bro.
I mean, this just have to be done by end of this week, man, because it's just gonna kill nothing but people out there, not just the market, but everybody out
For
there.
real. Let me tell you what a shop man is gonna do with $2 trillion. Let me tell you what shop man is gonna do. Put it all on Tesla. We put it all on Tesla.
Hey, let me just get 100 bills so I can buy Amazon as well.
Yeah. Oh no. Yeah. We putting it on Amazon, half on Amazon, half on Tesla calls. And we going in like that. That's what we doing with $2 trillion. I don't understand why the feds just don't say we're gonna do a Blackpool purchase on the stock market, $2.2 trillion. We're gonna split it in half and watch the economy rise, and then you'll get your $4 trillion. Now you don't have to be worried about can we send out another stimulus check. I mean, it's just simple. Shopman solved it. Yay, vote for me.
You mean a dark pool?
Yeah, that's what I said. Dark pool, right? What did I say?
You said a black pool.
Hey, bro, the same shit. Pelosi know what I'm talking about. Black pool.
It's still dark, I guess.
Black man. Batman. Hey, you know what I'm talking about? Dark pool, black pool. Hey, man. Dead pool, goddammit.
You don't have new people coming into this looking up black pools on YouTube.
They're like, what the hell is Blackpool?
Hey, man. Hey, if you know, you know. Oh, shit. Yeah, but Pelosi, man, I share no political views. I'm only speaking for the people. It says don't get your hopes up. Oh, my God. I just got my hopes up.
You want to get exited out real quick.
Yeah, because I got my hopes up, man. I got my hopes up. Like,
don't everybody have a hope, man?
We politicians who are listening to this podcast currently, we need a stimulus check.
They'll world probably listen to us, but like, yeah, keep on hoping.
Everybody, the whole world is getting aid right now. United States, but capitalism, though, you got to think about it. We live in the United States of America, American dream, so. Yeah.
When am I going to see the American dream?
When they send out that stimulus check.
I'm like this, man. October 7th is going to be my 33 years of being in America. When am I going to see my American dream? Isn't 30 years
I need sound effects.
long enough?
I need sound effects.
It's going to be like Jim Cramer.
I need sound effects. Yeah, man. Congratulations, bro. You've been in the United States as long as I've been alive, like longer than that. So
33 years. I'm still working for American Dream.
It's okay. It's me too. It's okay. That's what happens. You play stock market, you get stuck. No, I'm just kidding. No, man.
Stock market is like 50 cents. Get rich or die trying.
But if it wasn't up to Aku, man, Kabari telling me about the stock market, I would have probably been, I don't know what I would have been doing right now.
Yeah, what have you been doing?
I would have been, we'll get into that another time. We'll get into that. What were you doing before stocks? We'll get into that another time.
I'm going to be straight up with you. Be on the corner lamp, just like what they say on the rap music.
Yeah.
Hey, y'all want to hear something crazy?
What's that?
Yeah, I know that one dude I follow I follow a lot of people on Twitter, but tell me why yesterday he posted DDOG. Someone bought 2,000 $100 calls for 45 cents each.
No, bro.
Bruh.
He said that yesterday?
He said that yesterday.
Why didn't you tell us?
Oh, my God.
I just seen it right now. I'm about to send it to y'all.
Oh my God. See, this is what happens, man. This is why I can't reach American Dream. They keep that shit to themselves, man.
It was on Twitter.
It was
Yeah,
You
on
follow
Twitter, bro.
you
they don't know how
follow
to.
this guy. You follow Will Mead.
Who the, yeah, I saw this.
You follow him.
Oh, you know why I didn't get in? Because he says Lotto. I was like,
He said
Lotto?
lotto, yeah. But
Yeah.
most of the time when they say lotto on stock tweets and Twitter, it means that it's not like a lotto that we're used to calling them lottos, like YOLOing money. It's like it's very cheap. Scratch off, you can win big, you know?
No, the ones he
Man.
calls normally hit though. I just missed this one.
Dang,
And
okay.
I
Man.
wonder what they're worth right now. What is $100 call worth
It's
right
like
now?
600 something, man. I was
Yeah,
in for
bro.
like $1.98 and I sold it for like 2 or
Nah,
3.
for real?
Nah,
Yeah.
bro. No cap, bro.
What's $100 call for?
It's
Nah,
like
they 410 right now.
410
And
right
they're
now.
and they're 45
But
cents
look at how
yesterday.
much it fell though, bro. Like, okay, so my logic on Datadog, right? It broke the high. Where did it break the high at? Around here. It broke here. Let me see. Let me just scoot out. You know what I'm saying? So I can get this most accurate information of the actual all-time high of Datadog. Boom. It broke out there. That's when I got in, bro. I didn't even know about Datadog. Let me make this another color so I can delete it later. Yeah, I didn't even know about the rise. This is where I got in right here.
I mean, he still could have made some good profit.
Yeah, absolutely I did. But yeah.
I just totally set out of it. I figured I was too late to the party.
Jeez.
No, I jumped in when it was like 98 something, and when it reached 97 something, when it reached 98 something and got a big red, I said, man, I'm getting out with $5 profit. I'm not losing it. It's over. I chased it.
Yeah,
Next thing I
bro.
know, man, and I had $100 call.
Soon as it bounced here, it touched it again. I don't know. Early on, I would have said I would have got out, but after I would have seen this green candle right here, I would probably hop back in it. This was definitely an opportunity that I would have hit twice.
I got out way before. I got out when it was $98 and change.
Man,
Yeah.
we missed that play.
I got in here and I got a little scared here, but it popped off. I think I got off right here because I thought it topped out because of this red candle. I was like, okay, I'm taking profits. I'm happy with that. And by this, from here to here, that was a good 38%. So this call, it said for the day, it moved 1,905%.
Jeez. No, I mean, yesterday was 45 cents.
So shout out to y'all if y'all got in Datadog. Yesterday,
That's
I'm
nice
talking.
for
This
you.
is just a move today. Like, oh my god, it went
No,
crazy.
at one point, that $100 call was at $6.75, I believe. At one
Yeah.
point.
Damn.
So just imagine if you'd have got 2 of the 45-cent ones.
Yesterday.
Man, I would have been
Exactly.
good.
2. I would have got 10. No, I'm just kidding. In hindsight, I if trading was like that and we had a time machine, I really believe these guys who tweet off this information, I really think they live in the future. Like they gotta live in the future.
I mean, what you gotta know, they know people, so they probably know something about the news that's about to come out. You know.
True.
Man, somebody just take me beginning of the March. I'll just buy puts and go to sleep, and I'll be fine.
Yeah, especially if they don't pass this stimulus check. Okay, cool. So here right about here, guys, we're gonna take a quick break and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna continue our shenanigans. Yo, what up? It's Shop Man. We back. Option Titans back from the break. Had to take a quick intermission. We back. We left off on DDOG, Datadog. Really a sleeping giant today. Really came out of nowhere. I seen a couple tweets on it, and just so happened that it fucking took off because of this news. Datadog lifts the NASDAQ. So what happened, guys? What really happened? Like, what were your thoughts when Datadog just fucking took off? Did you get in a trade? Did you not get in a trade?
Well, I got in a trade when it was like 97 something and sold it like 98 something because after the red bar, I got scared. I was like, man, let me just take the profit. It ended up being $5 profit.
Yeah. Hey, green is green.
That's after I saw the news. They said they merged with Microsoft.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know how much it's going to affect me personally. I will probably do a put like 105, but I don't know. It could take off. It really depends on how the market's going to trade, like stimulus news or anything good news about it is going to bring up more. Other than that, I
Oof.
don't think it's going to go up higher than what happened
I
today.
mean, it can go more up if because all they said was that they reached a deal, but they haven't said any numbers on it.
Oof.
Yeah.
You see what happened on the 5 minute?
Yeah, I see it.
So whoever took profits at 107, I mean, I feel like that was a good amount to take profits at, because if you go back historically and you look at the high, it
Yep.
was right there, and it broke that. It popped over that crazy. So I'm not
Man,
mad at people for taking profits.
I totally messing with Nicola, trying to see if it's gonna come up or not. I got some, man. I just sold Nicola. I was like, man, I can't tell you how many plays I missed just by trying to watch Nicola or trying to find news on Nicola.
Man, you got a grudge against Nicola, huh?
I mean, now I do.
I feel you, bro. I don't want to talk about it. But I did a small play though. I didn't go in even I think I went in like 0.5%, if that, of my account, and I'm getting ate up for it, but I'm not fucked up about it. Like,
I mean, it's just that I've been holding it since. I mean, not all of them, but I kind of took profits and rebought back in.
mm-hmm.
I've been having some of these plays since the first initial drop, you know.
Yeah.
So I mean, it's been it's been a waiting game.
Oh man, I didn't even look at it today, bro. Oh my gosh, look, and it's still in the levels, bro. It's consolidating.
Mm-hmm.
And it broke up. I wouldn't even consider that as breaking up, because it's still, look, even after hours, it's
Yeah.
I almost lied. It definitely went above the breakout point, but it got back right. So what do you think is gonna happen in tomorrow?
My thinking, what is it, Nicola? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
My thinking is GM wanted to see what those investors were going to do because they had that deadline of today
Yeah.
to see if they wanted to close out on some of their shares or not. But all GM needs to say is, hey, talk to those investors, be like, hey, this is what we got planned. If y'all stay around, we can close this deal. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yeah.
So I'm pretty sure that's GM's going to come in and save Nicola. Well, really, Nicola going to save GM.
You think Nicola is gonna save GM? Okay.
Not save him, but give him that little extra.
Yeah.
I think GM
kick.
trying to take over Nicola as a whole.
That's what I'm
Okay.
saying. Like,
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, they already got one of their old board members
Right.
at Nicola, so.
Okay. Okay. I can see what you're saying. And then another sleeping giant that we can look at while I'm in my charts is Amazon. Let's pull this bad boy up. It looks like it's sideways
I
for the
like
last
it right
days.
here.
Yeah, because you never know what it's going to do, right? In the last episode, we marked the lows, which could be here, but I don't think it's potentially going to go down.
See, with the zoom out a little bit.
Yeah, for sure.
With the lecture around the corner, keep zooming out if you can.
For sure, for sure.
With the lectures coming around, I feel like it could be forming a head and shoulders.
Yeah.
See, because it could keep coming up, but with the lecture around the corner, I mean, who knows how it's going to go,
high?
but if it does, that's a big head and shoulders right there.
You think 32? 3,200?
It could get to 3,300.
Oh, okay.
Me and Akubari talked about it earlier. We were looking at daily, 4 hour, 1 hour. I was kind of seeing a bull flag. But I mean, yes, like he said, if he could reach that 3,300, it would be easy for Amazon to go up to 34, 35. I mean, it could take off.
I mean, logically, that's where the other shoulder is, right here. Just be willing to take profits around that range. But if you had calls, it depends on where you got them at. Not in that bad.
Because if you look at the 1 hour chart, it's really clear that it could take off, but you just have to wait for the news. But at the end of the day, they still have Prime Day coming.
That candle messing you up.
The 1 hour chart, yeah, the 1 hour chart looks like it just died right here a little bit. But
it's that one candle messing you up.
What happened? What happened, bro? I know it didn't drop $2,000, bro. That's cap.
No, they always do that.
Okay, what do you mean always do that? I would have had a heart attack.
No, my thing is, like, when I watch the Amazon or Google or Tesla, sometimes it spike up or spike down crazy and goes right back up in 1 or 2 seconds later.
Bro, what the frick? I've never seen that before. That's a phenomenon for me. That's like a pin bar, bro. What is that? What if you got in down here, though?
So when you buy the share.
Imagine trading in. Yeah, imagine getting in after hours, bro.
That's when you buy.
And that's cheating. That's cheat codes, bro. What? I've never. And you said who else does that? You said Google does it?
Yeah, you happened to Google because I know Boost. One day he made $50 like that easily in that 1 split second.
Wow, guys. So you heard it here first. Option Titans. We already giving y'all some more sauce. It dropped down to $17.21 after hours and went up $2,000 in 1 freaking day. No, like that's 5-minute chart. In 5 minutes, this happened. Wow. Really, the big wigs and all of the people with the smart money, they're not trading options right now. They're trading after hours and they're trading equity because you get moves like this. That's crazy. I had to look to make sure that let me look at this daily chart. Hold on. Well, it's not going to pop up on the daily chart because it happened after hours. Just imagine a big red candle that just freaking.
You probably have to look at like a 1 minute chart, but 1 minute chart, I don't think. Can you zoom in on 1 minute chart if you like?
Yeah.
1 hour chart was giving you a problem.
We can try it. Look at that big uptrend. Yeah, it did that. This is when the dip happened. You see that right there? Oh my gosh. That 1 minute candle. It's crazy. So let's zoom out a little bit more. Despite the dip that happened, retarded dip. I don't know what that was. But yeah, uptrend, guys. Uptrend. I see what you're saying. Uptrend. Wow, that's crazy. Okay. Let me reset. Head and shoulders. Uptrend. I believe it. I believe in Amazon, especially with earnings. When are earnings?
28th, I believe.
Okay, especially with earnings coming up. Yeah, it's going to be a problem.
Can you pinpoint out the head and shoulders for the people who can't really tell what is head and shoulder is?
So what a head and shoulders is, let me do.
Yeah, earning is on 22nd after hours for Amazon.
I'm going to show you guys what we're talking about when we say a head and shoulders. That is when a stock goes up, and this is the left shoulder, and then it forms a head. But this didn't happen yet. So we're predicting that since it bounced and it respected that line and it went crazy and it came down a little bit, this is where we are currently in our hypothetical Amazon trade, if you're looking for what a head and shoulders means. So we're hoping that it pops up and respects this shoulder over here a little bit, and then it'll come back down. That's what a head and shoulders is, guys.
Yeah, it could probably be at the 3,300 lane, or probably maybe a little bit higher than 3,300.
So when we're looking at our head and shoulders, it went up and it bounced here with the white line, and then went up again and it bounced off the white line. So we're going back up into the next shoulder for the head and shoulders pattern, guys. Getting sauce right now, courtesy of Skim. And they don't really have to, like, they don't really match each other. They don't have to be perfect head and shoulders, but that's just what we notify. Oh, I can't do it. I can't get over this puppy, bro. Hold on. What is this going on? Google notes the first Dachshund bobbleheads were manufactured in Germany in 1970. Okay, cool. I didn't ask you that, but whatever. Oh, look at that. Okay. So we're going to get into, we got into DDOG, got a little distracted. If you missed it, I'm sorry. It was one of those things that just happened, and a couple people seen. It comes with experience. Let's go to AMD. Kabar, you want to talk a little bit about this one?
What's I ain't see this one.
Oh, this is the sauce
What is
then.
this?
This is a AMD after September slump. Trader plays AMD stock for fourth quarter rally. So they're basically saying that AMD is going to rally during the fourth quarter because it fell 10% last month, this month, and they want to see it bullish over the term. And I haven't played AMD, but I've been watching it a little bit, and not Amazon. And I would say that it's looking pretty good. It's not necessarily, it's a small head and shoulders if you want to think about it that way. But my lines for as far as resistance and support, it broke out a little bit, but it came back down into a little consolidation.
That could, if it comes back a little bit more, it could be a little cup and handle right there.
Yeah. Or it could fake us out like Zoom. You remember Zoom? We thought it was going to cup and handle, and it just went up.
It just kept on going.
Yeah.
Back down to base.
So a little technical analysis on AMD. This was a downtrend here, obviously, if you noticed that. And it broke downtrend around here. That's why I marked it. This was yesterday. This is yesterday's volume. This is today's volume. So I'm looking for a break over 82.55. Well, a little bit more than that. But after that break, you can bet yourself on a Kit Kat that you can jump into a Snicker or whatever you whatever saying
whatever works.
Yeah, but
I was thinking more about just to be safe. If you're ever gonna play the options on AMD, do debit spread where you buy $80 call and sell at 100. It's about 420 right now, I believe the difference. Then I mean you should be safe. Then you're only spending what $428, but
correct.
You buy back in November, all the way back in November. So for you to be safe, then you have like about 2 months of a time.
You saying buy until November so you can have 2 months of time?
Yes, that's what I would do. Because I mean, you know, the election day coming, so nobody knows what's going to happen.
Yeah, I understand.
And regularly tech always does good anyway.
So if I wanted to go 82.50 or even a little bit off the money, that's $560. 5.6. That's not that bad. It's not that bad though, because look at all that time. You got until November the 20th. You know what I'm saying?
But if that's too much for you, you could always do debit spread, you know?
Absolutely.
Then it's going to cost you less than 500. It's going to cost you around like 400, 450. So
well, hey, if you're playing that close, then you'll hit it.
Oh man, did you see that price difference though? It's actually cheaper to go further out into the future. Look, the November the 6th is 665, but if we go to November the 20th, it's 525, 560. So this move is gonna happen, guys. I mean,
for the same 87.50.
Yeah, for the 87.50 strike. I don't want to sell it. So if you go a little bit further in time to November the 6th, it's actually a little bit more expensive.
That's 83.
That's 83?
Yeah.
Oh boy. Okay. I see what they did there. They didn't tow me up. So the strikes are a little bit different, but I mean, you know.
Man, you would have got into that play thinking you're getting a deal.
Shop man always looking for the deals, boy.
I mean, to me, the best thing is to go for 85 or the $90 call.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because look at the volume on there. Look at the volume.
Yes. I mean, you know, it's gonna be hit in the money by that time.
Correct.
And you will make money, but do not go crazy by 5 or 10. Just buy like one and wait and see if it dips. Then you could average it down.
I might go for what's the 90? How much is 90?
The 90 is what time are you looking for? The 6 or?
I mean, that one's fine. Either one.
Yeah, the 90 is 405 right now.
Because normally, if whenever you're looking at stuff like that, if you look at everything that ends in a 0 or a 5, those will have the most open interest.
Absolutely.
But I mean, me personally, I will buy November 20th. I will buy something after the election date, bro. Because
this is the 9th. Well, we're expecting that move to happen sooner. Yeah, I don't know. I would bank on, like, if I'm going bullish on AMD and I'm looking at the calls right now and it looks like it's in an uptrend, I'm banking on it to happen way before the elections. Maybe the stimulus check might come out and pump it. Not to disregard what you're saying. I love that strategy too.
We all know Shaman's going to buy October 2nd.
No, I'm gonna buy puts. I'm buying puts. I'm buying 77 puts, and I'm going. October 23rd. I'm buying puts for $76. That's just the way I get down. No, I'm kidding. That's not a strategy, guys. Don't do that. Okay, so we're down to our last 5 minutes, and we could talk about CrowdStrike. We could talk about Ford, but I think we really wanted to touch on MNRA. This is TikTok. Let's see. This is MNRA? Yeah.
Yes.
MRNA.
Marinara.
Yeah, he's gonna get people to get the wrong stopwatch.
That's what I'm saying.
Is this in Spanish? No, that's just Stefani. Okay. So what's going on with Moderna?
They're basically saying they're not gonna get anything out in the market until
the coronavirus vaccine.
yes, until the November 25th.
Oh shit, mRNA.
I mean, I seen somewhere where they were talking about like in springtime.
Yeah, I seen that too.
Yeah, when they were debating the other night, I don't really know what happened. I don't want to come in on the debate. I just was waiting on Kanye West to come out and grab the microphone and say Joe Biden had the best album of all time. But yeah, I mean, it said it's down 1%. Where did they get this? They cap. Anyway, is it down? No, it's not down. That's old news. Anyway, so it looks pretty good. I don't know. I remember I was playing a healthcare company when I first started trading. I was playing LVGO, and I was getting in calls. And I actually got in. I started trading in May because I didn't want to pay, a lot of money for my options. And I got in. I didn't know what a VWAP. I didn't know what any of this was, and it was about $40. Remember, it was like $40. And all of a sudden, coronavirus and vaccines and stuff like that started happening. Pharmaceutical companies got a big boost, and now it's at $140. So that's my rip.
LVGO. I play MRNA when it was like $20.
Oh shoot! I mean, but Skim, I haven't been trading since 1980.
Yeah.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. But yeah, man, mRNA. I don't know. You think they're gonna pump during the election?
I doubt it. If they can't have the vaccine out, I doubt it. Because FDA, they are not gonna let any bio company to push the vaccine out before the election without having enough testing and the results.
Yeah, true.
So it could backfire on them.
True. What am I doing? No, that's right.
But I just feel like they came out and said that not to be expecting anything beforehand because, I mean, you already seen yesterday Trump was trying to say that he's going to have something beforehand.
Exactly.
Well, Trump's
but it's not the case.
Say, yeah, we're going to have a vaccine before. He always going to say that because he's actually pushing FDA to approve this, but he doesn't. I mean, you really have to think about side effects. What if people get sicker or there's people dying because of side effects? I mean, who's going to be responsible then?
Yeah, like you take a vaccine and, I mean, yeah, it fixes your lungs, but now your fucking brain don't work. But yeah, man, I don't know. It's a lot of speculation, but it looks like to me, and I just drew a rough trend line, that it didn't break trend yet. It bounced. It could go up and bounce again. I would look in to get mRNA calls because it really broke out crazy right here. These were the previous day values. When it broke out, that was a great opportunity to have some money made here, but everybody was paying attention to DDOG, so there are plenty of trades that we could have taken. And then, oh boy, so it's not even at the all-time high. Yeah, mRNA has a lot of room to grow. You heard it here first with the sauce. It has crazy potential.
What I'm afraid is the market as general for tomorrow and what they gap up. Now we just officially end the worst month for the stock market. One of the worst months.
Yeah.
Starting tomorrow.
Right. Okay, guys,
Wow,
we
what
got
happened?
we got less than a minute left, so we're gonna go. Sorry about that, Skim. Zoom is less than a minute left, so we're gonna go ahead and wrap up.
All right.
For everybody for tuning in. This is a great one. See you in the arena.